So we are live on YouTube as well now. Can you give us some longs and shorts? Oh, that is that is too much. For that, go and join my community. I uh, I give longs and shorts over there. The max I can do here is to answer your questions or look for some charts on analysis on any coin that you need. Going beyond that on a live will not be possible for me. Can Solana take 75? Let me look at it because Solana is getting more and more bearish. Of course, we don't have any resistance on Solana, so Solana can still pretty much go anywhere. But the question is that will it? Let me just look at this just a second. I think today my internet is slow for some reason. Okay. Oh wow, it's dumping. Let me look at it. What was Solana's support, mini support? I think it was 57, right? I forgot. If someone has watched my video, I don't have the chart right now on in front of me. Anyway, I'll discuss Solana definitely. I went all in on XRP. That is a good gamble. This is how you lose your house, your mortgage. And yeah, I mean, going all in on one crypto is a disaster. It doesn't matter which crypto it is. If it's Solana, Bitcoin, whatever it is, going all in, that is a behavior of a gamble. And this is my screen. Nothing is loading. Now it's loading. Anyway. And God knows what's going on with my internet. This shitty place and shitty internet. Okay, new look. I just came out of the shower. I didn't bother touching my hair. Okay, so it went to 68 and it's sitting at 61. Wow. Let me look at it in a longer time frame. Seriously. Oh, okay. Okay, so I don't recall correctly, but I think it was 57. As long as $57 holds for Solana, you can expect it to go higher and higher. If it goes below that, then I will be able to offer a resistance on Solana, and I will tell you what is the max for Solana. Right now, there is no max. What people are doing is basically they have applied Fibonacci to Solana, and they are thinking that it can go to $80, it can go to $113, because Fibonacci is saying that. From the angle of fundamentals, that makes no sense whatsoever. So that's why I am not sharing that kind of a story. Okay, now can you give me your prediction for Moonbeam? I cannot do that on a shitcoin. How about this shit Solana? I'm expecting it to continue downwards. I mean, I did share that yesterday, that there is some technical issue with Solana mobile phones. They have sold a lot of them, and 2,100 of them have been hacked. So that's a big number of mobile phones being hacked, which means that the security in Solana mobile phone is pretty much not there. It takes 1 minute to hack a phone that is made by Solana. They have a phone called Saga. So Certic came out, they showed that on the video. Solana came out and said, it's pretty common in Android. It can happen to any phone. That was a very weak response. So big giants who have investments in it, they will not take this response as a response. But of course, small investors, they don't know anything. So they would say, oh, Solana said, they denied, and it's all good. But things don't work like that. So I think whales will be looking for an exit. And maybe this correction from 68 to this price point would be an indication of that. Yeah, this is a good exit if you ask me. This is how they started exiting. So anyway, we will see. If 57 holds, it means that all the retail investors still want to buy. Going back to questions. Okay. If the question is not in English, I will not read. Always remember that, okay? Do you see Avax going back down? I heard Avax pumped, and someone actually asked my bot yesterday, and bot said, go long, the one that is in my Telegram. And I was laughing there, and I was like, okay, now who is going to sue the bot? They might sue me. I'm not the developer of it, so still. Okay. Avax can, definitely Avax can correct. Correction can definitely happen. Yeah. But good performance overall, I would say. Not bad. Of course, it's not where it was. If you look at its all life, Avax is still here. This was its life story. But Avax is a good project. This is Avalanche, right? Yeah. I mean, this is not a bad project. I wouldn't say anything bad about it. At least in 2021 when I studied it, at that time it was good. And we went in very early. But right now, it needs a bit of correction. It has rallied in few 100%. Buy or sell now XRP. I have XRP BTC. I've posted a video on XRP, and you can go and watch that. Let's see if there is anything that YouTubers are saying. Nope, they're not saying anything. Thank you, RB Ventura. Fabio says, hi, what would you do with a 5K? I would first learn before I invest. I would learn how not to hold projects and marry them and just invest all, go all in, and then sit and wait and pray. I would stop doing that. I'm short on it and it's ruining me. I don't know what you're short on. I went all in on XRP. What do you think? Very bad decision. Fabio says 57. I have no idea. What is this in relation to? 54, 57, buy or sell, XRP, BTX. What are your thoughts on Yearn? New to all, this is no judging. Yearn, I have not heard about Yearn. Let me check what is Yearn. Oh, Yiffy. I didn't check its name. $400,000 market cap. Okay, we can do an analysis on Yiffy. Just a second. Yearn.Finance. Wow. I learned an easier way. Thank you for the gift, user something. Of taking protein, and that's milkshake. Now I understand, not milkshake, protein shakes. Now I understand why these people, thank you ZK, in the movies and everyone who is drinking protein shakes. Because eating protein otherwise is very difficult. Difficult for me. I have to either add it to a shaker and then shake it, and I'm extremely lazy. Or you have to add it to yogurt and then use that machine that mixes it. I think this is the easiest way of doing it. And now I have a total setup of tissue and everything here. It's not my working station, it's my food station now. Good morning, Alan from Australia. Hi, Alan, and welcome to the show. It's called Crypto with Shah. Adnan says, bro, you give away? I did a lot of giveaways last week in Telegram. Yeah, $20 for memes, $10 for this, $10 for that, and a lot of Microsoft Office accounts, a lot of Canva accounts, Canva Pros. I think 3, 4 there, 3, 4 on Microsoft Office. 1 year plans, 2 years plans. Hello, what is this? Me something? Hello. Okay. If he's in the progress, hi Shah, can you give me your prediction on Moonbeam? I will not cover that. I did cover that last time, and it did turn out to be a shitcoin. We cannot discuss shitcoins here. It's only altcoins. Okay. So Yuffie is here. I wonder how bad my video will be on YouTube if it's bothering me this much. Can you please analyze Sushi? Okay, that is the request from YouTube. So Sushi it is. And wow, such a bad internet. Okay, so Yuffie, it got rejected from its weekly resistance, which is 14,081. It's sitting at 13,604. So considering that, you should expect it to go towards the support of 10,789. That is what you should expect from Yuffie at this stage. Shah sir, how much minimum you need to invest? To start? You can start with as much as $10. The whole point is to use real money and practice because it gives you real emotions. I never recommend practicing on demo account. Practice account, you will always be a winner on a practice account, but you will always be a loser on a real account. The reason for it is very simple. If I give you an example of nunchucks, the things that Bruce Lee used to use. There was a time I wanted to learn, so I used the real ones. It hit me in the head, in my all bones of the body. Eventually, after getting hurt a lot, I did learn, but that was pretty quick. On the other hand, my nephew, he wanted to learn. He bought the rubber ones. He became an expert on the rubber ones. The moment I gave him my real ones, they were heavy metal. He swung it and it hit him because it was heavy, it was real, he was scared. When it comes to real money, you have your real emotions involved. So invest $5, $10, $30. Still, it needs to be real money. After trading with it in altcoins or shitcoins, whatever you want to practice, then you will have your real emotions in place. And of course, the more money you add, the more your emotions will draw out. And it affects everyone. Like I'm invested in a coin that is stuck at a price point. So I invested, I think, 3 BNBs that was $750. And right now I'm sitting at a profit of 38 BNBs. I think now it will be down. But at peak it was 38 BNBs. So that was $9,500. I didn't sell because I'm expecting a better return out of it. But even if I sell it for double, it's still a lot. 38 BNBs is a lot. I think that's like 10 times or more than that. So when it comes to real money, the amount can be small. Still with the profits, you will have to be careful about it. And of course, you have to have strategy. I have 3 years of experience in shitcoins. And I'm doing altcoins from 2016. So I have a better story with it. Anyway, going back, Sushi was requested. Sushi is here. Let's talk about Sushi. So Sushi is inside the channel of uptrend. Okay, and its resistance is at 1.12. No, it's 1.2. Yeah, 1.2, and its support is at 0.92. So as long as it doesn't break either up or down, you can expect it to continue to move in this channel. So whenever it comes down, you would expect it to return from there to the top. And whenever it goes to the top, you would expect it to go down. So Sushi is stuck inside the channel. If you want to confirm that it will go further, it needs to break above 1.2. If you want to confirm that it will go down, it needs to break below 0.92. Otherwise, this is your range for trading. Bro, have you heard of Grok? I saw that project at $70,000 market cap. I shared it with my community at 2 million. One lady, she made $56,000 profit on it, on an investment of 3,600, and it went to $170 million. And we entered at 2 million. Of course, a lot of us sold earlier, one sold later. I don't know who else is holding it. So Grok, yes, I heard it got listed on Bybit and other places. BitGet, it got listed on BitGet. Okay. So do you think I can make profit from projects like XZ Infinity? You are 3 years late. XZ Infinity concept of profitability was in 2020 and 2021. Now you cannot. XRP, please, I have made a video on it. Please go and watch that. It is in my profile. What do you think of ORI? Oh, I've never heard that. Let me check ORI. I've requested it, so we will know. You have a lot of beads. What is beads? Okay. How would you distribute 5K? Fabio, I would not distribute. What I would do is that there's so many ways of doing it. Okay. One is if I'm doing spot trading, I'll use 10% of $5,000, which is how much? Which is $500. I will trade with that. If I'm using leverage trading, I'll use 2% of that, which will be $100. So yeah, it will be $100. So I'll use leverage trading with it, which means that I will have 50 chances with my $5,000. I need to fail 50 times. And if I'm doing hodling, and I only have $5,000, I'll use 20% of it only to invest in one coin. And with the rest of the money, I'll still not invest and get stuck. I will never invest the full amount, no matter what happens. My friend Moonbeam is having some liquidity problems. Moon River is the new thing. There you go. One shitcoin talking about another shitcoin. What do you think of XRP going up and down? I've posted my video. Please watch that. Bro, I've started my trading journey in 2022. I have at least 2 years of experience, but I have no investment. That is really, really bad. But that tells me that you're not good with trading. Thank you, Argil. I met a guy like this on Facebook. He had demo trading experience and all these claims and everything. I gave him $3,000. He blew that in 5 days. So all the claims that people make that they know trading, it's not true. I know it personally, and he had no self-control, no check-in emotions, and he blew it on a trade of gold. And of course, he had access to me. He lost that. I mean, you need to choose. Dentist. Okay. Does the 33K BTC is still valid? Oh, of course, of course. Even 32K is still valid. All these things that go up, they come down. Don't worry about that. I don't know why people think that it's over. Thank you, Nilavi. Good to see you. You and your money guns. What do you think about Ethereum? Ethereum, I'm posting a video on it, but as I have not posted, I can tell you here. Where was the support? Yeah, 1960. It was sitting at 1995 when I was recording the video. So as long as 1960 holds, you can expect it to go towards $2,100. 2280 is kind of gone because it couldn't hold 1990 as the support when I shared it. It went down to 1931. And like Cardano and Ethereum, they have this behavior that it pumps very slowly and it dumps very hard. Actually, I can blame XRP for that as well. With other cryptos, they can show, bullish movements as well, like Solana or Bitcoin. They can pump really hard as well, right? But these fellows, XRP, I mean, pretty much like if I have to give it a percentage, 90% of the time XRP only pumps when there is a news. It hardly pumps without news. I have not seen it in all 2023. Go and check the prices. It has always pumped with the news, which is a bad thing. How much news can you create? And a funny fact, every 30 minutes there is same is the case with Ethereum and Cardano. They are slow pumpers. They move very slowly towards the top, but when they dump back. So that is Ethereum for you. Is it worth buying XRP now? Now is pretty high. If you want to be the person who bought XRP at $3 and $2 or $1, be my guest. Okay. Okay, I lost $1,000 money. Can you please support those who have made losses, those who have financial problems? When they message me, I don't even respond to their messages. People who have financial difficulties should not be in an investing market. This is not a job market. This is for people who have money. This is not for people who don't have money. I don't know why people don't understand this. This is not the place where you should be if you don't have funds. It runs on funds, right? So if you don't have funds, what are we doing here? Okay, now what the hell is this? Just a second. Where did it go? It's Orai. Yeah, okay. I've never heard of this coin. If again for rejected from the resistance, it will form head and shoulder. Okay, so it's forming a head and shoulder. Yeah, so this is how Orai looks like. It's one shoulder, this is the head. If it goes here and then comes down again, this will be the head and shoulder, and then the Orai will dump hard. So your resistance is at 4.2, your support is at 3.67. It's closer to its support. It's not in the middle, so you can expect it to go up towards its resistance of 4.2. Maybe create wicks a bit here and there, and then start dumping. But a very ugly chart. Okay. Tashi says, are you Afghan or Iranian? I'm Afghan, but Afghan and Iranian, it's the same. We are same people because it was one Persia, one kingdom of Persia, and the general of the Persian army is the one who created Afghanistan. He went there, he liked the mountains. So we are all one people, and we did have the same language in the start, which was not Farsi. It was a very different variant of it if you study the languages. The language that we speak is very close to Albanians because it is a Indo-European language, the one that we speak. So it's very close to European people. And okay, what do you think of Y or I? Hbar opinion. Okay, Hbar, we can do Hbar. Hbar. After halving, crypto will go down or up? I'm expecting it to go down. Ru says, good evening, good evening. Thank you, Mr. Eagle. Thank you, Nirlavi, for all the cones and the roses. That's a lot. Tanya Butcher says, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, Nilavi. ZK, what do you think about EOS and LTC? I can do one for you. Let's do LTC. Thank you so much, Nilavi. Okay. Hi, and thank you for the advice about Cardano. Welcome. Thank you, ZK. I'm your account manager. If you're interested, connect me. I help you grow. That is strange. How are you? I'm good. Do you think XRP will dive below 50? If it breaks 57 and 52, yes. But eventually it will. Please, any Solana prediction? I did mention Solana. If you missed it, you can go and watch the live. We entered in a bull market or not? It's a bull trap. It's a bull market as long as BTC stays above $22,000. It is a bull market. What is your prediction about Ethereum? I covered it. It's getting recorded on YouTube. You can watch that on YouTube. We timestamp it as well. A lot of work goes into that. The goat, thank you. Here, here's the shop. Thanks, Anand. Okay, where all this money that come into crypto comes from? It comes from people's pockets. It comes from their debit cards, credit cards, their bank accounts. In my case, comes from my cash. It comes in all forms. I trade crypto in cash, but there are many people like me actually. Not in the West. You wouldn't see that on the continent of America. They don't know how to do crypto on cash, but I come from Asia. So we know how to do it, whether it is people in Asia from Russia, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. Yeah, even in India, it's still there. India has very strict rules, but still possible. I mean, I met an art dealer, a big shot. He was selling his the art. He was selling it half and half on books, half on cash. And even though you have all these policies in place, but he was doing it. That was nice. That's how you escape tax. What's your opinion on Hbar? I'll do that. Polkadot prediction. I'll do Polka after this. Are you not talking to me anymore, TikTok bro? Oh no, Paul. Why not? I am. I did. XRP is a shitcoin. I just saw your comment. Any prediction on why you saw the movie Dump Money? No. I should see it. Is it good? I'll see it. Dump Money. Oh, Dump Money might be about shitcoins. Someone told me about it. It's about DeFi. People call it DeFi for some reason. I don't know why. It's about shitcoins or penny stock. But I mean, that is what we do. Has the bull run already started? Yes. About GME Saga. Oh, so GME Saga. So the movie is about that. Okay, I didn't know. What do you think of ARC? I can do an ARC after Polkadot. Then we will do an ARC. So many comments. Tanya says, thank you so much for answering. No problem. Okay, Hbar is here. So many requests. Okay, so Hbar is trending upwards. As you can see, this is the line. And the moment it breaks this line is the start of the dump. So I can give you targets. Upper target for this line will not hold because this thing is continuously going up, so the line gets stretched. So for now, the resistance is at 0.064, which should break if this rally wants to continue. What matters is the downward one. It is at 0.057. If it breaks below 0.0576, that will pretty much indicate that this line is gone. It's called trend line. By the way, I'm launching my course very soon. You will learn all these things over there. It's the basics. It's not for those who already know. So it will break down and it will go down. Okay, that is Hbar. Now let's do Litecoin, LTC. Wow, that is one ugly structure. Okay, so Litecoin's upper resistance is at $76. Its support is at 69. It's sitting at 71, closer to its support. So it can either get more closer to its support at 69 and then try to rally, or maybe it might reverse from here because it's still closer to its support. That is pretty much Litecoin for you. Okay. Solana, please. Lol, is it possible Solana hit $100? Yes, according to Fibonacci, yes. But personally, I don't think so. Not now. Later on, yes. What coin should we invest? Best to buy right now? All the coins. Buy any coin. Eventually, it will go somewhere. Is it possible? Okay, this guy has spammed. I have to mute him. Now I'm going to spam. Oh. I'm going to go down. Okay. There is one that is spamming APT. I'll spam him. Mute him. Let's mute this. Now let's see if anyone has spammed. I'll just first block the spammers. Yeah, there is another one, Mr. Eagle. This is BTC. Now, how many times? 5 times. My God. Anyway. So we have still some time. Yeah, we do. How the hell do we mute people? Oh, this is how you do it. Okay. Okay, now let me start reading questions. Again, thank you for destroying the flow. Spammers. Okay, Shah, take profit 50% at least. Good to see you, bro. Thank you, Deuce. If I take 50% on that coin, I'm the biggest holder of that coin actually. I'm number 3, I think. I'm number 3, yeah. 3 or 4. So I hold 3 to 5% supply of that project. So if I sell that, that will cause one big red candle. It's a bad habit of going big. Twix says, hello, Shah. Hello. Poto, what do you think of ARK? I think I have requested ARK. Where the hell did it go? Polkadot, LTC. And he did, this is Polkadot. So I've not requested ARK, I'll do an ARK. Solana is going to $80 in the near terms easily. Nice, nice. I'm glad now there is a Solana army. We used to have XRP army, Shiba army. Now there is one for Solana too, which is good. Chantal says, hi Shah, I hope you're well. Yes, Chantal, thank you for asking. You are the only one who asked. These other greedy people that are sitting here, they never bother asking me that. I'm doing well. I brought these things that I would eat while I talk. And of course, as always, I don't get an opportunity. Okay, coin mention with gamble is more chances to succeed or mention with utility. That really depends. Generally, the gambles are the ones have better chances, but they have better chances of failure as well. It's the simple concept of risk to reward ratio. If the risk is high, the reward will be high. So that is why when I shared Grok, I mentioned that it is a culture call. Culture means gamble in simple language, but what does it mean? Okay, culture means it's some kind of trend. Grok was a name of the AI that Ellen placed. So that's why I called it culture. Meme is a meme. It's some kind of meme. Gamble means that there is no clear information what the hell it is. It might be something, but I don't know about it. So I just simply call it gamble. Utility means there is something behind this project. There's some kind of tool, some kind of bot. They're creating something, and there is an opportunity for that project to do well and survive well. Utility projects tend to live longer than gambles and cultures, but of course there are some cultures that continue to live as well, like Shiba. It was a meme that lived. Dodge, one of the first memes. If we talk about Grok, it got listed in many places. Now this thing will continue to pinch you. It is going to live. So some of them survive. Utilities, they do survive as well. Like a lot of projects that I have shared, they have made it to KuCoin and other places. I don't have any project on Binance yet. So utilities, they do tend to live longer generally, but they can fail as well. I mean, there is no 100% shot anywhere. You take your chances, you play your probabilities. Merit Circle, or today it's called BeamX. No, I have not heard about them or anything. Will BTC dump? It can correct definitely, and I will post a video on it, a detailed one. Don't worry. ARK is here. Okay. Okay, I hate my teammates. So this is the comment that he wrote. He said that ARK must be a boy, got so many rejections. Instead of doing his work, he's doing comedy. This is what he means by rejections. He went there, rejected. And this time I think it didn't even make an attempt, it got rejected. So its resistance is at 1.74. Its support is at 1.38. As long as the support holds, you can expect ARK to go back to the resistance and get rejected one more time. Or maybe finally it will break above the resistance. But we will see. ARK is bullish if you are looking for the sentiment. It's at 4 hours. It is kind of making a bullish flag. It's not a clean one, to be honest with you, but it is creating a pattern of bullish flag. So this can be considered a pole, and this can be considered the flag. It's not the best, but you can call it like that. For a confirmation, it needs to break above 1.74. Then it will start rally. Okay, I never got the tip. What tip, Ru? You're talking about when I was tipping people in Telegram? It was me and someone else was tipping. 2 people tipped people in Telegram. Okay, when would ETF approve? I don't know. I don't follow ETF, and to be very honest, I don't care. Crypto doesn't need ETF. It's all these concepts that institutions are bringing in to have a better control over the market. Solana is going to $80 very soon. Yes, Solana army. What do you think about Caspa? We can do a Caspa. And then I have to go. How much time I have left? I have 3 minutes. Shah, OP, please comment. If Caspa came soon, I'll do an OP for you. From now on, I will not take T questions. Will ETF change crypto market? It will affect the crypto market in a bad way if you're looking for the good or the bad. ETF is like cancer for the altcoins and Bitcoin. Hello, this is Eric. Hi, Eric. How about future trading bots? Bots, they will make you lose all the money. If it was simple, very, very simple concept. If it was this easy First, the creator of bot will not give you the bot. Second, if it was this easy, everyone would be doing it. Always ask yourself, shitcoins where we make money, will you sleep over it? It's not that easy. You need to look at the community. You need to look at the graphs. It's bloody painful process, but it's worth it. I mean, how many people can go from $3,600 to $56,000 in 3-4 days with a coin? And that coin is now listed everywhere. So it is there, but it's a painful process. If it's something that is very easy, like they say, too good to be true, then that is a clear-cut scam. Shitcoins are not easy, as people think. They think that, it's some kind of gamble where you put money and you sleep. No. Is it possible to increase portfolio with compounding interest strategy in crypto? Yes, it is possible pretty much everywhere. But in theory, it's very easy. When it comes to practical, you will see. Bro, is it too late to buy for 2025 bull run? There is no bull run in 2025. Don't worry, it's not too late. There will be a big dump. You will buy at better prices than now. What will XRP be this time next week? This time 2 p.m. next week. How would I know? How would I know? Please, how many CX do you think AMP will make? What is a CX? Thank you for you explained. I hope XRP will be 80 cents. Let's see. Caspa is still not here. I've been using Revolt to buy because I'm unsure how else to buy crypto. Tanya, there are like hundreds of exchanges out there. If you would like to take names right now, if you're still there, I have no idea. Let me tell you the names, okay? So Binance might not be available to you, but there is Coinbase, Kraken, Bybit, KuCoin, OKEx, Bitstamp, BitGet, Gate.io, Bitfinex, Crypto.com, Upbit, HTX, Gemini, BitThumb, Coincheck, LBank, Mex, MEXC. And Mex can be registered by anyone anywhere using a VPN. They have the least security checks in place. So they are the easiest one to crack. And if you're living somewhere where Binance is available, you are in heaven. I'm a Binance user and it's awesome. How do you blow trading gold? Oh God. That guy, he still messages me. And of course, I never respond anymore. He was a friend, online friend. He lost the friendship. To me, it's very easy. It's like taking loan. If you take loan from me, it's going to be two things. Either that loan is very important for you, and then my friendship, or you're not going to take that, because a lot of people are not able to return loans. I think so far I have lost around $100,000 in loans to people. I'm not keeping a perfect check, but I remember it because some of them are very big ones. So I know how it is. Do you have a course? I'm new and I want to get it. Go to my Telegram. I'm going to announce my course. It's going to be on my website, shahfaisal.com. No. shahfaisal.com. And you can use my username as well, vnzabar.com. It will redirect to it. I'm going to launch it. It's going to be $50. It's going to be basic. It is only for people who don't know anything about crypto and want to learn how to trade. It is basic. It's going to cover everything from very, very basic grounds. And when you finish it, you will be able to trade. So that is something that I'm going to do. It's already recorded. I was going to do it in October, didn't find time. Finally, I did it this month. So it's going to be out. The website is under development, so my teammate will know what the hell is going on there. Anyway, I'm running out of time and Caspa is here. No new resistance above this level, very bullish. Wow. Okay, so Caspa has one last resistance at 0.141. Oh, sorry, it's at 0.15. If it breaks above that, Caspa will continue mooning like Solana is mooning. Of course, Solana has resistances there. I don't consider them because they are not relevant for 2023. Same is the case with Caspa. And Caspa, at least there is no resistance whatsoever. I think this project is new. So then it's going to get into a rally where there is nothing stopping it. But you should have a support in your consideration. Its support is at 0.097. So as long as this thing holds, you can expect Caspa to continue its journey towards higher targets. But right now it is sitting next to its resistance. So do watch out for that. And this is how it looks like in 1 hour chart. In 1 hour, a lot of things look very sexy, but anyway. Okay, now I'm going to go. Let's see if there is any fundamental question. So you say I still have a chance to buy a bag for the bull run. Oh, of course, there will be more chances, and there is always a chance. And buying a bag for the bull run is a very, very, very bad concept. This is the weakest form of doing crypto, if you ask me. And this is the best way to get hurt as well. Because what if you have purchased a bag? Let me give you a scenario. You purchased it because all the influencers told you purchase a bag for 2024, 2025 bull run. 2025 is the massive bull run. It happens everywhere, and they show you these charts and they prove it to you because it has happened historically. Technically, it doesn't make any sense. There are no fundamentals for it, but they are following this 4-year cycle of Bitcoin, which is like they think it's some kind of magic. So what if in 2025, the financial crisis that is due for so long from 2020, that happens? Because it is due. It is not going to be, we are not going to be in a world where you are not going to have financial crisis as long as you have money, because this is mathematically and financially and economically sensible thing. It is something they teach in schools and universities. It's called inflation. There is no way to reverse inflation or control it until and unless you destroy the supply, the existing money that is there, or you find something to support it, which is called pegging. Let's not get into complicated concept. Let's talk about destroying supply. The only thing that the government of America is doing, USA, it's printing. Every now and then is printing more and more money. So as long as that printing continues, you are going to see a financial crisis. Someone needs to pay for the price of printing. If it's not government, then it's going to be you. And I'm expecting that in 2025. So we will see. We will see if this time bull run happens. It will be a very fantastic time to observe, because if financial crisis start, for the first time, the 4-year story of bull run that everyone sells, that will come to an end. And then this whole concept of bull run will die. That collect your bag for bull run. I don't know what will these TikTokers do then. What kind of videos they will make, these influencers who have no idea how to do crypto. But it will be funny. Anyway, thank you everyone for joining. It was such a pleasure to have you. I will see you guys tomorrow at 1 p.m. Toronto time. My time has changed. I didn't realize, but my 1 p.m. is still 1 p.m., but it has changed for you guys. Take care, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. It was lovely to have you. And do watch the XRP video. Now I'm going to post another video, which will be Bitcoin or Ethereum. Bye.